Hello everyone. I was asked to do a video when it comes to polymers on compounding and what is a master batch. Compounding, as far as I've gathered, I was in the label industry. I've got 40 plus years in quality, aerospace, medical implants, medical materials, printing, and plastic distribution, where we dealt with all these different kinds of companies. But going back to the old label days, about compound, master batch, of course, with plastic distribution, also compounding. Compounding, in basic layman terms, is to take the raw virgin resin and take a colorant or some other item, fiberglass, graphite, Kevlar, and compound it into that resin. Okay, certain percentages, that's up to the engineering's design and desire. But compounding is bringing one material into another and compounding it together, bringing that together. Now, master batch is kind of where things get a little bit crazy. Master batch, as far as I've gathered over the years being involved with plastics, is a company will take one batch of material. Let's take HDPE, high density polyethylene. They will grind it, they will mold it, and they will do all the strength tests on it, laboratory results, modulus of elasticity, tensile test, all these different types of different strength tests and what have you. And you take all those readings and you make the material, let's say 1,000 pounds of it, but you actually make 5,000 pounds of it. And what you do is you take one batch, the master batch, and all other batches coming off that material, okay, or that material itself is based on that master batch. So that one set of testing could last a year, 2 years, depending on how big the batch of material is. So they take a portion of that batch, called a master batch, do all the strength tests, all the evaluation, and that's when you call it a master batch. They take all the results, testing results, and use that lab report, that testing report, for every successive order that they have until they run out of material. And then they have to do the system again, do a master batch, and they base it on the tonnage that they make or the pounds that they make, whatever. That's the master batch. I hope that was good. Mr. Merdad Soleimani, engineer, asked me to explain master batch and also compounding. I hope I did a good job. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, 203-556-1493, or Daryl, DARYL, TQRS @yahoo.com. I thank you.